Hey, how's it going? Something on your mind? Video games? Friends? School? School, hey? You've got a big choice to make. There's a lot to consider. Like, a lot. I think I can help. Here's what I found on the web. Location is important. And look, Ryerson is in the heart of downtown Toronto, home to a super tall tower and the longest street in the world. Green space? Got it. Skylights? Check. Converted warehouse? Wow. They were even voted one of the most beautiful universities in Canada. Nice. What's next? Should we look at programs? Whoa, they've got all sorts of undergraduate and graduate programs. They've also got a bunch of research centers, institutes, and labs, co-ops, internships, and field placements, if you're into that sort of thing. And they've created thousands of jobs in Ryerson zones. Zones. Wait, what are zones? Oh, check this out. Zone learning is where you can find workshops, boot camps, and mentorships to develop skills like teamwork, communication, and project management. Those would come in handy when you start a real job. Or if you wanted to get a pet. Dogs make great study buddies, and the RU Therapy dogs love a good cuddle. They're just one of the many support programs available at Ryerson. Oh, so cute. Anyway, back to that big choice you have to make. I hope it doesn't feel so big now. It does seem that by choosing Ryerson, you really are choosing a world of possibility. Did you know Toronto goes by many different monikers, including Hollywood North, TO, T-Dot, and most recently the Six, just to name a few? Would you like to hear more? Are you still there?